Good morning, this is Ted from The Devil's in the Detail, and today I thought I'd show you some of what's happening to Pete's Porsche. We've got this good looking gentleman here today, Ben from Ultimate Auto. Thanks Steve Sullivan for the recommendation, sent us a great bloke, and I'm sure we're going to do lots of business in the future. Thought I'd just show you the bonnet being laid. Now Ben does coloured wraps, window tinting, as you can see the PPF, and he's prepared to travel to do it. So if anybody's interested in any of the items I've mentioned, then contact me and we can book it in, and Ben will come up and do it. So there's a quick shot of what Ben's doing there. He's done the doors, the rear quarters on both sides of the car. Looking spectacular, I have to say. Looks scary to me, but Ben makes it look simple. So I'll do another video later, show you the car when it's completed. But there you go, you can see what's happening. You've been following this car long enough. So I'll see you later. Bye.